We all love a cozy, clean couch, but keeping it that way can be a challenge, especially with pets, kids, and everyday use. A great upholstery cleaner can make all the difference in maintaining your couch's appearance and extending its life. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best upholstery cleaners for your couch. Whether you're dealing with stains, spills, or just want to freshen up your furniture, we've got you covered. Let's dive into these amazing products. Kicking off our list at number 1, CarGuys CG-UG. CarGuys CG-UG Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner is a powerful cleaner designed for tough stains on both fabric and upholstery. Known for its professional-grade formulation, this cleaner is perfect for those who want a deep clean without damaging their furniture. It works on a variety of surfaces, making it versatile for all kinds of upholstery needs. CarGuys prides itself on its easy-to-use formula, giving you professional results with minimal effort. Key features: CarGuys CG-UG features an advanced formula that tackles deep stains and odors without leaving any residue. The cleaner comes in a convenient spray bottle, and it is safe to use on most fabrics, including velvet, linen, and polyester. It uses a powerful foaming action to lift dirt and grime from the fabric fibers, leaving your couch looking refreshed. What's more, it has a pleasant, fresh scent that lingers long after cleaning, adding to the overall clean experience. Benefits and usage: this upholstery cleaner is ideal for those dealing with stubborn stains, food spills, or even pet accidents. To use, simply spray it onto the stained area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe away the dirt with a clean cloth. The foam will lift dirt and grime, helping to keep your couch looking as good as new. Its safe formula ensures no damage is done to delicate fabrics while providing deep, effective cleaning. Usability: CarGuys CG-UG is easy to use, requiring no complicated steps or equipment. Its spray bottle allows for precise application, so you can target stains without making a mess. It's also fast-drying, which makes it convenient for those who need quick results. Whether you have kids, pets, or a busy household, this cleaner is perfect for quick cleanups. Durability: one of the standout features of CarGuys CG-UG is its long-lasting effects. The cleaner not only removes stains, but also helps to prevent future buildup, leaving your couch looking cleaner for longer. It's designed to tackle dirt at its root, which helps extend the time between cleanings. The formula is strong enough for repeated use, ensuring your couch remains in excellent condition for an extended period. In the second spot, we have Folex F-2. Folex F-2 is one of the most trusted upholstery cleaners on the market, especially for those looking for a quick solution to tough stains on their couch. This cleaner is known for its powerful stain-fighting properties, making it a favorite among homeowners and professionals alike. Whether you're dealing with pet stains, coffee spills, or general dirt, Folex F-2 is an excellent go-to product for all your upholstery needs. Key features: Folex F-2 comes in a convenient spray bottle that makes it easy to apply directly onto the stains. The formula is water-based, non-toxic, and free from solvents, which makes it safe for most types of upholstery, including wool, polyester, and cotton. Its unique formula can tackle stains on the surface and deep within the fibers without damaging your couch's fabric. It's also odorless, leaving behind no chemical smells. Benefits and usage: the benefits of Folex F-2 are clear. It's quick, effective, and versatile. You can use it on a variety of fabrics, from your couch to rugs and even car seats. To use, spray Folex F-2 directly onto the stain and blot with a clean cloth. The cleaner does all the hard work, breaking down dirt, grease, and stains while being gentle on delicate upholstery. Folex works instantly, lifting stains with minimal effort. Usability: Folex F-2 is highly user-friendly. Its no-rinse formula means you don't have to worry about residue or excess water soaking into your couch. Just spray, blot, and let it dry. It's a quick solution, making it perfect for busy households or anyone looking for a fast and effective upholstery cleaner. The non-toxic ingredients make it safe for families, pets, and people with sensitive skin. Durability: Folex F-2's durability comes from its ability to remove stains thoroughly without the need for multiple applications. Once cleaned, your couch will stay stain-free for a longer period, and its formula helps repel dirt, reducing the frequency of cleanings. It's a great option for people who want a hassle-free experience and long-lasting results. Coming in at number 3 is the Turtle Wax 53412. Turtle Wax 53412 Upholstery Cleaner is a well-known name in the world of car care, but it works just as effectively on home furniture. Its powerful formula is designed to lift dirt, grime, and stains, leaving your upholstery looking brand new. Turtle Wax is renowned for its high-quality products, and their upholstery cleaner is no exception. If you're looking for a product that's easy to apply and highly effective, this is a solid option. Key features: Turtle Wax 53412 is formulated with a fast-acting cleaner that lifts stains without causing any damage to the fabric. It's safe to use on most upholstery types, including fabric and microfiber, and it features a unique foaming action that targets dirt deep within the fibers. The cleaner also helps remove odors, leaving your couch smelling fresh and clean. The product is simple to use with a spray bottle, making it easy to target stains precisely. Benefits and usage: this upholstery cleaner is perfect for anyone who needs a quick and efficient solution to stains, spills, and odors. The foam works by breaking down and lifting stains, making it easy to wipe away. To use, simply spray the foam on the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it off with a clean cloth. The result is a couch that looks and smells like new, without the need for harsh chemicals. Usability: Turtle Wax 53412 is extremely easy to use, with a convenient spray nozzle for targeted application. It's fast-drying, so you don't have to wait long to enjoy the results. The spray bottle ensures that you can apply just the right amount of product to the stained area, preventing oversaturation. This cleaner is ideal for anyone who needs to clean their couch quickly and effectively without any hassle. Durability: the durability of Turtle Wax 53412 is one of its strongest selling points. The formula not only removes stains, but also helps to prevent future dirt from sticking to the fabric. Your couch will stay cleaner for longer, reducing the frequency of cleanings. It's designed to tackle the toughest stains, ensuring that your upholstery remains fresh and clean over time. Taking our 4th spot is Chemical Guys SPI_993. Chemical Guys SPI_993 Fabric Clean is a highly effective upholstery cleaner that uses advanced technology to break down dirt and grime. Known for its use in the automotive industry, it works just as well on home furniture, including couches. This cleaner is great for people who want a deep clean without resorting to harsh chemicals or overly complicated cleaning methods. Key features: the Chemical Guys SPI_993 formula is designed to break down and lift dirt and stains using a highly concentrated solution. It's a gentle cleaner that's safe for most fabric types, including suede and microfiber. The cleaner has a fresh scent that leaves your couch smelling fresh without any overpowering chemical odors. Additionally, it's biodegradable and free from harsh chemicals, making it an eco-friendly option. Benefits and usage: Chemical Guys SPI_993 offers excellent stain-fighting power while being gentle on your couch fabric. It's perfect for both small and large stains, and it works on a variety of upholstery types. To use, dilute the product with water according to the instructions, then apply it to the fabric with a sponge or cloth. Once the stain is gone, wipe away any excess moisture and let the couch dry. The result is a fresh, clean couch that looks great. Usability: this upholstery cleaner is easy to use with a simple dilution process, and it comes in a large bottle that will last for multiple uses. The cleaner works efficiently, requiring only a small amount for each application. It's also gentle on fabric, so you don't have to worry about damaging your couch during the cleaning process. Durability: Chemical Guys SPI_993 is a durable option for cleaning upholstery. It's effective at removing stains and preventing them from reappearing, making it a great long-term solution for keeping your couch clean. Its biodegradable ingredients mean that it's both safe and sustainable, so you can feel good about using it regularly without worrying about harsh chemicals affecting your furniture. And finally, at number 5, we have Sonax 233241. Sonax 233241 Upholstery Cleaner is a powerful yet gentle cleaner designed to refresh and restore your couch's appearance. Known for its versatility, Sonax works on a variety of fabrics, including fabric, leather, and synthetic upholstery. This cleaner is a favorite for homeowners looking for a product that's both effective and safe for delicate materials. Key features: Sonax 233241 features a highly effective formula that removes stains and odors without damaging the fabric. It's safe for use on all types of upholstery, from fabric to leather, and it works by lifting dirt and grime from deep within the fibers. The product also has a pleasant scent, leaving your couch smelling fresh after use. It comes in a convenient spray bottle, making it easy to apply exactly where it's needed. Benefits and usage: Sonax 233241 is a versatile and easy-to-use cleaner. It's great for removing dirt, pet stains, and everyday grime. To use, spray the cleaner onto the stained area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe away. Its gentle formula makes it safe for delicate upholstery while still delivering powerful results. Usability: Sonax 233241 is simple to use, with no complicated instructions. Its spray bottle allows for targeted application, so you don't have to worry about oversaturation. It's also quick drying, making it ideal for people who need fast results. This cleaner is great for all types of upholstery, including couches, chairs, and even car interiors. Durability: the durability of Sonax 233241 comes from its ability to keep your upholstery looking fresh for longer. It helps prevent future stains and grime from sticking, ensuring that your couch stays cleaner for an extended period. Whether you use it for routine maintenance or tough stain removal, this cleaner will provide long-lasting results. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best upholstery cleaners for your couch. Whether you're dealing with tough stains, pet odors, or just routine maintenance, these products offer effective solutions to keep your furniture looking and feeling fresh. We hope this review helps you make the right choice for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews, cleaning tips, and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Happy cleaning!